Okay, everybody, I'm getting ready to do wig restoration, and I'm gonna use the Regrowth System shampoo, which is gonna pull all the tangles out of the hair. And I want you to see it. And this is what the shampoo looks like. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna saturate the wig in its entirety. I'm gonna put water on it. I'm gonna saturate it really, really, really good. So wet it down. And I'll show it to you once I've gotten it out the water. And as you're saturating the wig, you want to make sure that you hold it in a downward position. You don't want to ball it or tangle it up. Just let the water flow and you rub downward. Okay? Now, how the shampoo actually works, you're going to put a small amount into your hand like this. About this much. If it's really heavy, you need to, if it needs to be cleansed a whole lot, you use just a little bit more, but no more than that. You're going to emulsify it in your hand, rubbing it back and forth. You're going to take the wig and hold it. I'm going to cut the water off so you can hear me. You're going to hold it like this, and you're going to saturate it going in a downward strokes. That's with one hand, then you take your other hand and go through it again. Okay? So it does not require a whole lot of shampoo, but when you begin to put it in, can you see how it lathers up? And it's just from the amount that you see me put in. And I normally take my fingers and go through the wig like this. And as you can see, it's taking all the tangles out of the wig. And then a lot of the times I will use a brush and I will go in downward strokes. And I want you to see how easy the tangles are coming out of the wig piece. Look. And this is done with Success Regrowth System shampoo. And I love it because it does not pull the hair out of the wig piece, but it causes it to comb out in a beautiful, beautiful curl pattern. And I generally go through it all the way through. If I get to a place where there's tangles, I just take the brush, and if you see what's happening, it's combing it out. See? And I just really wanted to film and show you guys how easy and how wonderful this shampoo works. When you have a client that comes in and want their piece redone and restored, you want to always give them the best products so that the piece will have longevity. And I just kind of wanted you all to see this. And look how beautiful that is. It comes out so well. Okay. And so after I have combed it out completely, look at that. Look at that. And you all saw it before I started. And see how beautiful that is? Now, the rinsing process is wonderful. You just turn the water on. Shampoo is so good. When you put the water on it, you're going to take your hand and wring it like this. You're going to dip it down again. Bring it up again. You're going to keep doing this until the water runs clear. Once the water has ran clear, this piece is completely cleansed. And it has a beautiful, refreshing smell to it. Now, depending on how much, because my client comes on the regular to get her piece shampooed and conditioned, I don't have to shampoo it. I don't have to do a lot of shampoos because she takes great care of it. But now when you get someone and it's kind of matted up and needs to be combed out, then you're going to use this shampoo like I showed you, and you're going to saturate it. You're going to emulsify it in your hand, and you're going to rub one side this way, other side this way, and it's going to lather up. And as it lather up, you're going to wring it and pull it just like this. And I have my scalp soother is what I use to remove the glue from the lace part of the wig, and it works extremely well pulling that glue out. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this, how the shampoo actually works, and see now how I can easily comb through it with no problem. Hope you enjoyed seeing it. I'll post it again after I get through setting it. Okay.